Hello, welcome to the Trends Always. Please subscribe to this channel.
Hi guys, today I want us to learn something, how to create animated videos with AI and to create animations. So if you want to create animated videos, you have to go to Google Chrome. If you go to Google Chrome, you have to search about Lexica. If you go to Lexica, it will show you different images. So now it will depend on which kind of animation you want to generate. Let's assume I want to generate cartoon characters. I want to use cartoon characters and I search. So I will have to find which character I want to use here. So maybe I want to use this one. So I will download my picture. So I'll save it. To my files. Save it to my downloads. And then after, I will need to edit it the way I like it. So then I will go to remove background. I want to say background remover, big remover. Maybe I want to clear the background. I want any good background I want to use. So I will sign in here. I will load in my image I downloaded from my files. Then I paste it here. So after receiving my image, already the background is removed. So I will come here to edit it and I will see which background I want to use from these pictures here. I can search, maybe I want to use this one, this kind of picture. I'll see any picture I want to use from the variety I have here. Or I can use this one, or I can use this one. Any I want to use. Maybe I want color. I just come here to color. Then I use the color. Okay, maybe I make green. Assign it blue. Then I say okay. I put in blue. Which color is that? I don't know. So it depends which color I want to use, but I want to choose on these photos around. Ebifaananyi ebiriwo nnoonyemu ekifaananyi kye njagala okubeera nga nkozesa. So for the case of me, I'll use this photo. I'll choose the best photo here. You can use. I'll choose the best photo. Let me choose this one. So then I will download it. And click download. After nja kubeera nga kisavinga mu files zange eza downloads. So basically kijja kubeera nga gye kiri. So then we want to create animations. Then you have to go to search for d space dot id AI. Then it will take you to DID, make AI generated videos from photos. So eno app ejja kubeera nga ekuyambako okubeera nga creatinga byonna byonna bw'obeera oyagala okubeera nga creatinga. So you can create your account. If you have, you create an account. For that, first you will use a free trial. There is other generated videos you can use from the library. Okubeera nga okozesa eziri mu library oba okubeera nga creatingira new videos nga tukozesa ekifaananyi kiri kitwakozesezza. Already tulinayo videos eziri generated, osobola okukozesa zino ezirimu, naye kati nze njagala creatinga eyange. So I will go here to add. I go to my cartoon I designed, which I want to use as my animations. Then I will add it here. After adding it here, so I will come here where you see script audio. So I want to design my script for what I want my animation to speak. Byenjagala cartoon yange gyenjagala oba animated cartoon gyenjagala byebeyogera ne okusinza ku ddoboozi eryange oba generated AI generated video audio. So wano script, you can type your script here. Ogamba I want, so hello, welcome, welcome to Hypex, and welcome to Hypex Studios. Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios at welcome to Hypex Studios of Animators Investments Limited. So Nagamba, thank you. So then ojja kunoonya eddoboozi ly'oyagala okubeera nga okozesa. Maybe you want to language, not choosing a language over English South Africa, English Tanzania, English United Kingdom, or English Nigeria. Gamba kati kateko English Nigeria. Njagala ani agenda okubeera nga yogera mukyala mukazi nga muno njagala musajja aba ayogera. Oyinza osobola okubeera nga olina already generated audio gy'olina already. Kati kyoba okola ojjayo audio eri n'oginsatingamu, then you generate the video oba no creating AI generated video kubesinga nga prescriptions wezigamba. So then after that you will play to listen what this guy will speak.
Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios of Amemiras Investments Limited. Welcome to Hypex Studios of Amemiras Investments Limited.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios of Amemiras Investments Limited. Welcome to Hypex Studios of Amemiras Investments Limited.
Let's assume okozesezza mukyala. Okozesezza cartoon ya mukyala. N'oteekawo ojja kuwulira wayogera. Now listen. So let's assume okozesezza mukyala. So we generate a video.
Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios of Amemiras
Hello,
Investments
welcome
Limited.
to Hypex Studios of Amemiras Investments Limited.
Kati tugenda kugeneratinga oba omaze. Let's assume tuzeeyo nga we nageneratinze gundi yange eno nakozesezza abe. So when nakozesezza abe kitegeeza I will go back to sit to listen what he will say.
Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios of Amemiras Investments Limited. Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios of Amemiras Investments
Then
Limited.
after you will generate your video. Then generate. After generating, you will download your video. Already it is here.
Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios.
Hello,
Of Amemiras
welcome to
Investments
Hypex Studios
Limited.
of
Then
Amemiras Investments
after you
Limited.
download,
Thank you.
then after downloading, you will find it in your file already. You open it.
Hello, welcome to Hypex Studios.
Hello,
Of Amemiras
welcome to
Investments
Hypex Studios of
Thank you.
Amemiras Investments Limited.
So that's how you can generate
Thank you.
animated videos using all that process I've passed through. So remember, new.